YouTube friends. Welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen. My name's Amanda and I love sharing with people simple and delicious recipes that you can cook here in South Korea using South Korean ingredients. I hope you're having a great week. If you're new here, hi there. 안녕하세요. Welcome to everybody. As you've seen in the thumbnail today, I'm going to be sharing with you a lemon bar pie. This really is so simple to make and one of my favorite summer desserts. It's so refreshing. Today we're going to be using lemons, but you could quite easily use any citrus fruit. What's unique about this is it has a biscuit shortbread base, and then on top we're going to have that lemon delicious filling. I'm going to be making two types today. I'm going to make one with a crust and one without, and you can choose which one you would prefer to make. They really are incredibly easy, delicious, refreshing. You're gonna love this recipe. When you've made it, don't forget to drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. So thanks for watching today. Let me show you lemon bar pie in South Korea.
Before I start measuring, I get my oven turned on so that it can preheat at 180°C. Then, into a bowl, we're going to make a very basic shortbread base. So together we mix some flour, sugar, salt and vanilla. If you don't have any vanilla essence, then using powder is okay too. Next, add your cold butter cut up into cubes and then mix this together with the other ingredients using your fingertips. If you have a food processor, then you could also use this. You're looking for a wet sand consistency. Just like wet sand, if I squeeze some of the mixture in my hands, it will stick together. I then place this in the refrigerator while I grease my oven-proof tins with some butter. For this recipe today, you can use whatever oven-proof container you have available. You could make one big pie or some smaller ones, or as I'm doing today, a medium and a small. This really is a flexible recipe, so I'm going to show you two different ways I like to make my lemon pie. My smaller tin will be with a crust and my larger tin will be without a crust, which is why I've also used baking paper so that I have a smooth finish at the end. I place some of the shortbread into my smaller tin and then into my bigger tin and use a spoon to compact this down. I use the remainder of my shortbread to build up a pie crust on my smaller tin. You'll see that I use my fingers for this as I find it easier to push it into all of the edges. Once this is done, place it into your preheated oven for about 15 to 18 minutes until lightly brown on top. Just be aware if you're like me cooking a smaller one, it might take less time, so pull it out of the oven earlier. Once cooked, place them onto a cooling rack while you prepare the other ingredients. Into a bowl, measure out your sugar and lemon zest. I like to use the zest from 1.5 lemons. Make sure you've washed your lemons well, or I recommend using organic lemons. I then mix these two ingredients together so that the sugar has time to absorb all the flavour from the lemon zest before I add any other ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat up 2 eggs and then set this aside and we'll use it later. The sugar's had time to absorb some of the wonderful flavour from the lemon zest, so I add some flour which will act as a thickening agent and some salt to counterbalance the other flavours. I get these mixed in and now it's time to get some lemon juice. As I mentioned in a previous video, roll your lemons, or in fact any citrus fruit you have, to get more juice out of it. Cut it and use then a lemon squeezer or whatever you have to get the maximum amount of juice you can. I like to use 2 lemons for this recipe. The last thing I do is mix all of the ingredients together. I add my eggs and finally the lemon juice and then mix until well combined and my lemon filling is nice and smooth. This really is a fun and flexible recipe, and as I mentioned in the introduction, you could use different citrus fruit or even bake this in a square tin and cut out squares to eat. I've made this now for a few of my Korean friends and they've all absolutely loved the combination of the lemon filling with the shortbread base. The last part of your preparation is to pour your lemon filling over your shortbread, then get this back into your preheated oven 180°C for about 18 to 20 minutes until lightly set. If like me you're making a smaller pie, then this will take a shorter time in the oven. You will know when the pies are ready as they will not only have a bit of colour on top, but as you move them they'll jiggle in the middle. Unfortunately for me, my oven broke during this cook and overcooked my larger pie. As it cooled down it split, but this just added to the home cooked look, and on a plus side they tasted amazing and I got a new oven. Just before you serve them, finish off with a dusting of powdered sugar, sprinkle some lemon zest on top, and I also like to decorate with a few slices of lemon. So here we have 2 different ways of making a refreshing lemon bar pie perfect for the summer. Please now go and have fun making and sharing this with friends and family, and as usual I'll put the measurements in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great week. God bless. Chop bok ham nada.